I got my first lockpick set, I don't know, about a week ago now in the ADA Box 7, along with this cool like see-through lock so you can see how the pins and the springs work. I've been messing around a little bit, practicing, got a couple locks here. I figured I'd show just how easy it is to get into some of these. Oh, I forgot this one. So I'll start with this. This is like a training lock, so you can learn how like the pins work in the tumblers. But this is incredibly easy to get into. This one, especially with it just raking, just like that. I'm already in. I can also do it single pin picking, which doesn't take very long on this lock. If I can get the pin inside, or the pick inside. And they're ready. I'm into that one. This is a cable lock from an old Mossberg shotgun, and this one is incredibly easy to get into as well. I'm gonna do a little single pin picking in here because it's not that big of a keyway to get something in here. I think I have my pick all the way in. Oh, I remember. I can't put the tension wrench in all the way in this one. The keyway is pretty small here. Oops, I'm losing tension. Start over. I'm using the wrong wrench. Of course, getting on video is going to take longer than it ever has. There we go. Into that one. Guess your shotgun's not very secure. Now this is another gun lock from my, what's it, H&K 416, or I forget what model it is, but anyways, it's from my rifle. It's made a little more difficult because it also has a small keyway, and then it has this little insert over the top, which you could easily, I'm sure you could pull that out with some pliers. But so I couldn't really get a tension wrench in there, and then I discovered I don't even need a tension wrench. I could just turn the keyway at the same time I'm picking this one. Just rake it, and there you go. Already in. Oops. So I guess your rifle's not very safe either. This is from an old deadbolt I had in the basement I've been trying. I got in here once, but I've been having a lot of problems with this. So I'm guessing there's some security pins in here that I'm not properly getting the feel for yet. So I'm going to keep messing around with that one. Here's a master lock I picked up from Meijer. It was on sale for like $4. And on the package, it kind of has like a security scale going down the side from 1 to 10, and this was rated a 5, so kind of right in the middle on that scale. I'm trying to remember how I got into this one easily. Oh, there we go. Oh no, I was not in. The wrench slipped. I remember how I got in here. Zip it. There you go. Piece of cake. Let me try it. Single pin. Like I said, I've only been doing this a week, so and not that much throughout the week, so I don't have a good feel for the pins yet, which I imagine is why I'm having a problem with that deadbolt lock, if it has some spool pins in there. And I guess I'm not getting it with this master lock either. Or at least not easy as it is to just zip it. Let me just try and force it and get lucky. Let me try a rake real quick. I can hear the pins move there. I guess the easiest way to get these open is with just zipping it. And now it's not going to do it a second time. Previously it's only been taking, I think, 3 zips. And it opens right up. Maybe I got too much tension. Oh yeah, there we go. 1 zip. Too much tension. And then this lock I picked up from Harbor Freight. I think it says like General or something on it, or US General. And I've only messed with it, I don't know, 10 minutes or so, and I have not been able to get in here yet. I don't know if maybe there's some security pins in here as well. Also, it's giving me a little trouble because the keyway is so fat on the bottom that my tension wrenches slide in there. So actually what I've been doing is doubling up 2 of these. I'll give this a real quick try, see if I can get in here. and zip it first. I can't imagine this $5 lock from Home Depot is that good. Well, at least for a beginner to get into it. I'll have to keep practicing with this one, see if I can get in there. But anyways, just kind of to show you that these locks can get into in a couple seconds for a beginner like me. So it might not be as secure as you think you are.